Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Stories for Beginners. I'm so happy to see you here today. Do you want to speak English more naturally when you travel? On this channel, stories become your teacher, and we practice with the shadowing technique. Listen carefully, then repeat after me, just like my shadow. Copy my voice, my speed, and my feeling. This trains your brain to think in English rather than translating. Today's story is called I Went to California. It follows a first-time trip across California, San Francisco, Highway 1, Yosemite, and Los Angeles. You will practice real travel English with short, clear sentences. Relax, listen closely, and repeat each line with me. Are you ready? Let's begin. The ticket?
My name is Mia. I live in a small coastal town. I love bridges, mountains, and the ocean. One evening, I bought a ticket to California. I write a simple plan in my notebook. San Francisco, Highway 1, Yosemite, Los Angeles. I pack light and charge my phone. I go to sleep with a happy heart.
Arrival in San Francisco.
The plane lands in the afternoon. Fog curls over the hills like soft smoke. I follow the signs to BART, the city train. I bought a ticket and kept it in my pocket. The train hums toward the center. I watch houses climb steep streets. I exit near Union Square and find my hotel. I check in, drink water, and take a breath.
First walk to the bay.
I follow Powell Street downhill. Cable cars ring like small bells. Shops glow with warm evening light. I reach the Embarcadero and face the water. The Bay Bridge shines like a silver ribbon. I sit on a bench and rest my feet. I write one line. The bay is calm. I walk back slowly as night arrives.
Golden Gate morning.
I wake early and put on a jacket. I take a bus toward the Presidio. Mist moves across the road like a quiet wave. The Golden Gate Bridge appears in red and gray. I stand still and count my breaths. I take one careful photo and put my phone away. I begin to walk across the bridge. Wind, water, steel, and a steady step.
Fisherman's Wharf and a bowl of soup.
I ride a bus to the wharf. Seagulls circle above the docks. I ordered clam chowder in a sourdough bowl. The bread is warm and the soup is kind. I watch a street performer juggle and bow. Tourists clap and children laugh. I check the ferry timetable to Alcatraz. I save it for next time and move on.
Painted ladies in a park.
I climb a hill to Alamo Square. Colorful houses line the edge of the park. The skyline rises behind them like a stage. I sit on the grass and drink water. A dog chases a ball and returns it proudly. The breeze smells like flowers and sun cream. I circle Golden Gate Park in my notebook. I plan a short walk among tall trees.
Golden Gate Park stroll.
I enter the park near a small lake. Joggers pass with light steps. A bridge crosses the water like a thin line. I follow a path to the Japanese tea garden. The air is quiet and green. I sip a small cup of tea. I write one word. Balance. I head back as the sun climbs higher.
Picking up the car.
I take a tram to a rental office. The agent asks for my license and card. I chose a small car with good mileage. I set my route for Highway 1. I check the mirrors, seat, and fuel. I start the engine and breathe out. The road opens like a welcome. I head south toward the coast.
Highway 1 to Half Moon Bay.
Cliffs rise on my left. The sea opens on my right. Waves fold and break in white lines. I stop at a viewpoint and step out. Wind lifts my hair and clears my mind. I take a photo and put my phone away. I listen to the ocean for 1 minute. A couple shares a thermos of coffee. I smile and drive on.
Santa Cruz Boardwalk.
The road curves into Santa Cruz. A wooden roller coaster hugs the beach. I park and walk onto the boardwalk. Music floats over the sand. I bought a lemonade with crushed ice. I stand in the shade and check my map. Big Sur is still far, but the day is long. I return to the car and keep going.
Bixby Bridge and Big Sur.
The coast grows wild and high. Bixby Bridge arches over a deep canyon. I pull over at a safe turnout. Cars line the edge in a quiet row. I feel small and strong at the same time. Sea fog lifts and reveals bright water. I whisper, "Remember this view." I drive on with slow, careful hands.
A night in Monterey.
I stop in Monterey before sunset. Fishermen clean their gear on the pier. Sea lions bark below the boards. I find a simple room near Cannery Row. For dinner, I ordered grilled fish and rice. I text my mother a photo of the harbor. She writes, "Be safe, have fun." I sleep with the window cracked for sea air.
Turning inland to Yosemite.
Morning comes with clear light. I turn inland toward the mountains. Orchards stretch in neat green rows. I stop for fuel and a bottle of water. The road climbs, curves, and narrows. Pine trees replace farm fields. Granite walls rise like gray sails. Yosemite is closed now.
First, look at Yosemite Valley.
I pass the park gate and keep climbing. I pull into tunnel view and park. The tunnel breathes me out into a grand scene. El Capitan stands on the left like a giant door. Half Dome floats far away like a pale moon. A waterfall threads white down the valley. I hold the rail and do not speak. I put the moment in my heart.
Valley Floor Walk.
I drive down to the valley floor. I park and choose an easy trail. Soft dust lifts under my shoes. A creek moves over stones like glass. Deer step out, look, and continue. I sit on a log and drink slowly. I write 3 words: quiet, strong, clear. The day feels honest and good.
A safe climb and a promise.
I start up a short path to a viewpoint. Switchbacks test my breath and legs. I pause in the shade and keep going. At the top, trees open to the sky and granite. A hiker offers to take my picture. I thank him and take one for him too. We trade names and wish each other luck. I promise to return one day.
Southbound to Los Angeles.
The next morning, I head south again. Hills roll like golden waves. Wind turbines turn in slow circles. I stop once for fuel and a stretch. The freeway grows wider and faster. Skyscrapers rise from a long, bright basin. Los Angeles spreads out like a map. I exit toward Hollywood Boulevard.
Hollywood and Griffith.
I walk quickly past the star-filled sidewalk. Tourists pose with wide smiles. I buy water and step into the shade. In the afternoon, I drive to Griffith Observatory. The city lies below like a field of light. I follow a path and watch the sunset. The Hollywood sign glows softly in the distance. I breathe and take one quiet photo.
Santa Monica and the Pier.
The next day, I visit the coast again. Santa Monica feels open and bright. Bikes roll along the path by the sand. I walk onto the pier and hear laughter. Waves move under the wooden planks. I sit on a bench and rest my feet. I write a line. Ocean, again like home. I stay until the sky turns gold.
Last night reflections.
Back in my room, I repack my bag. I count my tickets and charge my phone. I list the places from this trip. Bridge, bay, cliffs, forest, granite, lights, sea. I added 3 lessons at the end. Ask politely. Confirm the route. Drink water. I close the notebook and smile. California feels big, brave, and kind.
Great job. You listened, repeated, and shadowed with me today. Every sentence you spoke made your English stronger. I Went to California reminds us that travel is more than places. It is bridges in fog, roads by the sea, quiet trails, and city lights after sunset. Simple English can guide you across trains, highways, parks, and piers. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to English Stories for Beginners for more shadowing practice. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new story. Remember, 1 page, 1 story, 1 step. Your English will grow. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next video.